So I just stumbled across this refact.ai thing and it blew my mind. Imagine an open source AI that handles coding tasks end to end.
Wait, seriously? Like it not only helps with coding but understands your entire workflow? That's wild.
Exactly. It integrates with your tools like GitHub, MySQL, even Docker. It's like having a supercharged assistant right in your IDE.
I can see how that would save a ton of time. What kind of tasks does it handle?
Oh, it's like a Swiss Army knife for devs. It can generate code from natural language prompts. Can you believe that?
That's crazy. So if I wanted to code something, I could just describe it and it gets done?
Exactly, and it can even debug for you. Imagine cutting down on those endless debugging sessions.
Oh man, that sounds like a game changer. Debugging can take forever.
Right? Plus, it generates unit tests too. You're basically throwing away all that tedious setup.
That gives me chills. Automated unit tests? What a time saver.
And get this, it uses retrieval augmented generation for its suggestions. I mean, the tech behind that is mind-blowing.
Hold on, what exactly does that mean? Sounds fancy.
It's using context awareness to provide smarter, relevant suggestions. Like it's really tuned into your work.
Oh, I see. So it learns from your coding style or the project specifics. That's super cool.
Totally. Plus, it works with 25 plus programming languages. It's like a language expert for devs.
Let me wrap my head around that. So whether I'm coding in Python or Go, it's got my back?
Yep. It's like being fluent in all major coding dialects. You can just focus on the problem.
Can you imagine the productivity boost? You could do days of work in just hours.
Exactly. Some users said they completed weeks' worth of coding tasks in minutes.
Wow, that's insane efficiency. What are users saying about it?
The feedback is incredible. They love how it transforms their coding experience, making it way less painful.
Nothing like that to make coding more enjoyable. What about setup? Is it easy?
Yeah, you can run it self-hosted if you want that control. They even have a Docker setup.
Nice. Just like running your own mini server in a box. That's very appealing.
Exactly, and it ensures maximum security for companies worried about data leaks.
Now I'm curious, what's the downside? It can't be all sunshine, right?
Well, like any AI, it's only as good as the data it learns from. Poor data could lead to mistakes.
Ah, that makes sense. Still, the benefits seem to outweigh the risks, especially for repetitive tasks.
Right? I mean, automating mundane tasks frees up mind space for creativity.
Exactly. And in tech, creativity often leads to breakthroughs. It's like a new frontier.
Totally. And think about how it lowers barriers for new developers, too.
Oh, wow, you're right. It could help beginners code faster, making it less intimidating.
For sure. If someone can simply describe what they want and get it coded, that changes everything.
Yeah, it democratizes access to technology. Such a powerful concept.
So if we put this all together, we're looking at a tool that could reshape how coding works.
Absolutely. And it raises new questions about the future of software engineering.
Right? Like, will it lead to fewer jobs? Or will it create new kinds of roles?
And it makes me wonder about collaboration. Can it work alongside human devs?
Definitely. It could become a kind of partner rather than just a tool.
This is such a fascinating topic. It feels like we're on the brink of something huge.
Exactly. Let's keep watching how it evolves. It's like the future is now.